Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see some options to see deleted WhatsApp messages on Android. We start by entering the phone settings. Next, we click on Notifications and then on Advanced Settings. After that, we will enter the Notification History option. If we have this option activated, we will be able to see the notification of the message that has been deleted and read it. Another option is to use the WhatsApp backup to recover them. To do this, we will have to have the backup made after the message was made. Afterwards, we only have to reinstall WhatsApp and use that backup to recover the data. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.